Here's the truth. We are human, limited, flawed, in need of grace. And isn't that good news? That in our moment of weakness, grace fills the gap. Ang dami nating hinahanap na paraan para lamang mag-self-actualize. Practices dito, rituals doon, lahat na ginawa mo. Except that, feeling ko lang we're trying to overcomplicate things. It is meant to be simple. KISS. Keep it short and simple. The truth, you don't need to do more. You actually need to do less. Align with God, the creator of heaven and earth. Sabi niya nga my grace is sufficient for you. Hindi ba maganda yun? Yung grasya niya na ang pwede mong i-depend on at siya na ang bahala sa'yo. The goal is not performance, not spiritual practices, not spiritual aesthetics. The goal is a genuine alignment with the Almighty. Because here's the truth. We are human, limited, flawed, in need of grace. And isn't that good news? That in our moment of weakness, grace fills the gap. Sabi nga, for His power is made perfect in our weakness. We live by grace through faith, hindi sa dami ng rituals or kung gaano ka-deep ang ating practices. The real depth of our faith is how much we can depend on Him. Sa dulo ng lahat, it's not about what we really do to actualize, but what we allow Him to do through us. Let this be a Holy Week reminder.